You don't need to find your purpose, you are purpose.
Grinded early on and even dropping out of college to eventually hit the highest points of corporate America.
Because in high school, then it gets reinforced. What are you going to go to college for? And then in college, they're like, what are you going to do with that degree?
He rebuilt it with a purpose, following in his father's footsteps in the financial world.
When I bought him out, I brought them into the fold and I promised, hey, I will never spend your money without your permission.
By the age of 35, becoming one of the youngest appointed managing partners in the country. But as life often does, it threw him a curveball into his plans.
Well, the next chapter got formed for me at age 41. So I had to lean into it, walk through that fire, walk through that pain.
Where he is on a mission to help entrepreneurs and athletes trade burnout and balance for success and significance.
I want people that are still climbing that ladder and just giving lessons, dropping golden nuggets for people to pick up and go, oh, I can do that.
Welcome to the A Game Podcast, Mr. Josh Kosnick. Thank you so much for being here, sir.